This is the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with a special severe weather briefing for the Arklamas region. Highlights for this briefing: multiple severe weather episodes are expected to end the week. Significant severe storms are likely late this afternoon into tonight. Tornadoes, some strong and long track, especially in any lead supercell thunderstorms that could develop out of any line of storms. The timing is expected late afternoon into the overnight, with majority of the significant severe weather moving through around 12 to 1 a.m.
Just getting out of the way because I'm at the intersection there.
Head south on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Street toward Carver Street, then turn right onto Carver Street. Turn right onto Carver Street, then turn right at Pine Street.
All right, I'm gonna get back to, yeah, I see it. I just saw a power flash. Just saw a power flash to the southwest. So now I'm going south. Yeah, it's gonna be over here to this side. Shut up.
Street toward Maple Street.
Yeah, I want to go this way. Gonna get back towards the main road. I don't want to get caught in town in case it gets ugly.